What's up, good people? All right, I've been trying to get this the M3X version 2 by Ultimate Engines. I'm gonna take it apart, show y'all the insides. I figured this is a good time because I'm getting ready to put it back in the buggy for a race down Florida. I took it out because I had test and tune day. I'm trying to not put so many gallons on like my race engines. I've been running that Keep All 4, which been running great. And actually, that red WRX ran excellent in the Truckee too. Well, that surprised me. But so take this apart, show you the insides. I've been meaning to do that, but it's been busy. So I'm take it apart, show you, sleeve, crank, and everything. All right. So let's get it popping. And of course, I'm using the Send It new tools. Yes, sir. Let's take a look here. All right. Let me zoom down, get y'all popping. Zoom you down real quick. Okay, block. No after run oil, nothing. It's just been sitting for not that long. So the light is right in there, but still look good. Everything's still smooth. I think she probably got about 2 gallons on her. It's a block. Head. Ain't beat her up too bad just yet. Back plate. Okay. Crank. Like I said, it's not DLC coated, but it is filled. Little slug in there. No cuts. But no rust or nothing. Like I said, she probably got about 2 gallons on her. Alright. Piston. Sleeve. Okay, oops, sorry. Intake side. Push ports. Show y'all in there, focus good. Exhaust side. Some dirt in there. Try to clean that up. Pretty good, pretty good. Alright, let's take Pin still good. Oops, so see if I can see that. Pin still good. Yeah. Not bad at all, people. Not bad at all. Oh, let me show you the glow plug. I never changed the glow plug, the same glow plug. She's a little brown and Decker, but she's still working. We'll say that. And it's a P3 plug in her. Alright. So far so good, people. I'm feeling this thing. It's not bad. I'm putting it back in. So far so good. I'm using the ultimate, not the ultimate, the Send It RC gaskets. Still hanging in there good. Okay. Here's the pipe. I just gotta clean her up. But let me show you how you take these apart. So it twists off and it's a line. Let me zoom down. Okay. So it's a line there. Get those 2 lines. lines up, and then it comes apart like that. And it's a gasket that goes down there. It's like an O-ring down in there. See it? Make sure you're on focus. O-ring down in there that you put in, and then it's like a gasket thing you put here. See what color the pipe was? It was black. Now put it back together, same deal, reverse, line them two lines up like that, push it together and turn, and that's it. That's it, people. Alright, so I'm getting ready to clean all this up, put some oil in her, install it back in the whip. Alright, so I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. Cars are dirty, I gotta clean them, but alright, people, so that's just something real quick, show you that ultimate engine, that M3X version 2 by Ultimate. Alright, y'all. Peace.